Hi guys, it's me, Ham, and today we're going to be building a Lego bed. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with this 10 by 6 Lego base plate. It can be any color you want, but it has to be a 10 by 6 base plate. Next, let's add this 1 by 6 piece that kind of looks like it's used for a wall or something, I don't know. But we have to use it because yes. So now that we have this on, we can start with the rest of the bed. Make sure you have the amount of bricks that can cover her like 54 studs. That's at least. That'll be good for building this. There, my egg. Okay. Okay, let's start with the pillow now. We first take a 2 by 6 of any color. It has to be flat though. And then we take 2 smooth tiles. And we put it on here. It can actually be any smooth tiles. It just has to cover the entirety of the 2 by 6, obviously. And it can also be any color you want. Now let's add it. See, this is going to be our pillow. Well, this is like the rest of the bed. Now, let's smooth the bed up so there isn't any studs. Take this very large 6 by 6 smooth and let's apply it on. Takes a kind of a bit. And then add the 1 by 6 smooth, and there you have it, a Lego bed. Pretty neat, huh? Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I hope you like this Lego bed as much as I do. Anyways, bye. And for now.